That's for the start of the day tomorrow. Lows dropping well down into the low 20s for us, which again, not out of the ordinary. That actually is ordinary. We're supposed to be down there at the start of the day. Now, while we have that cold air sticking around, we'll get a chance to start to rebound a bit as we head toward the weekend. You've got the mid-30s widespread from Lenawee into Monroe counties. Yes, we do have some clouds for tomorrow. It's going to be kind of that battle between a little sunshine and a lot of cloud cover. While you do have, again, Washtenaw and Wayne counties, mid-30s widespread, it's not all that uncomfortable for us. It's just chilly. Watching for a bit more from Brighton all the way to Milford. You got Pontiac at 35, a lot of 36s from Sterling Heights to Armada, while Warren makes a run at 37. Now you make it to the shoreline, and that's where you've got basically along the river and all the way up along Port Huron, or from Port Huron up through Lake Huron. You've got that mid-30s mark. It's a lot of cool air, but pretty easy going right along the water. Nobody's kind of going too warm or too cold. On the next weather futurecast, big thing for the weekend, a few more snow showers. And I'm getting to just about talking about that system for next week. So hold on tight for one moment, because while those snow showers move in for Saturday, kind of scattered on and off, we pick up a better chance late Saturday towards Sunday morning. We pick up a couple tenths of an inch at most. That's it. Bigger thing is going to be watching for the pavement to get wet. And that leaves us Sunday morning and also, again, Monday morning, where you could see a little bit of black ice on some bridges or overpasses again. That's what we'll need to watch for. It's not a big issue when it comes to that. What we do need to watch for now is the storm system for next week. All right, so we've been talking about day to day to day. When is it too early? When is it not? So we can start to answer a couple of questions with this. The areas of low pressure we've been watching on our models are finally starting to coalesce into a couple main options. The primary of the two are these ones. So, for example, if the area of low pressure follows the blue track, it means mainly southeast Michigan gets rain and snow. We're on the southeast corner of it, so it leaves us with a combo of both. If it follows the orange track, we're on the northern side. Northern side is the cold side. That means that we end up with just snow. Now, those are the options we're looking at. So why can't we make a call yet? Because we haven't had a chance to even launch a weather balloon into this thing yet. We don't sample it, that's what we call it, until late Friday or into Saturday. Then we can really get the raw data. Otherwise, though, we make it into the start of the week. You got the national championship on Monday, Lions on Sunday, and Tuesday into Wednesday. That is that system that we're watching. And, of course, while we're at the 5 days mark, going into tomorrow, we're going to have some good answers finally to be able to start to put a pin in this thing.